Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video and some information about a brand new opportunity that I would love to share with you. For those that don't know, I'm into affiliate marketing and have been doing this since 2016 full time. And I haven't promoted a lot of opportunities recently because I haven't found anything that I felt would work for my audience or stuff that wasn't duplicatable. But with this system, I think that this is going to open up a lot of doors and help people to start earning a full-time income within the online space. So I'm going to share with you this information, and please feel free to get more information in the description area or reach out to me if you have any questions about this opportunity. So what we're going to discuss today is a system that is going to allow you to get direct payments. There's no monthly fees. There's no technical learning curve, and it is simple to get started with this opportunity. I have put together a website for my team, for those who sign up with me. This is for my six-figure blueprint. So that's the name of the opportunity. And it is a low mid-ticket opportunity that's going to allow you to learn how to leverage within the online space. And again, I'm excited about this because there are not a lot of opportunities that are duplicatable or that actually give people all the information that they need in order for them to be successful within the online space. I'm looking to help as many people as possible start earning $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 per week consistently by utilizing a system that's going to provide them all of the information that they need in order for them to be successful. So in the description below is this video. If you want to take a look and watch the video, you can do so by clicking on the description area right below this video. It's going to bring up this web page, which again was created by me and my team so that I can make sure that all of the information that people need in order to get started is readily available. And not only that, for people to be able to have a website when they come in and utilize this to promote to their team and people who are interested when they view this information. So this is a simple system, which means there are no hidden fees. A lot of people hate getting into programs and there's a ton of upsells. It seems like you can't get started without getting X, Y, and Z. With this opportunity, you're not going to have to worry about that. There's no surprises, no setup, nothing that's going to take a long time to set up. It's not a complicated system, and you can actually get started and running with this program as quickly as today. So if you sign up today, you can start actually promoting and including your payment information as quickly as today. We are going to give you everything that you need in order to be successful, including traffic, where to go to get traffic, whether you're going to use attraction marketing, social media, YouTube, video marketing. Maybe you're going to just email your customers or people who are interested. We have everything that you need in order to get the word out about this opportunity to your team and others who are interested in earning from home. And then what I also love is that there are direct payments. You do not have to worry about the company paying you. You're going to get these instant payouts directly to the payment processor of your choice. So that can be Cash App, it could be Zelle, Venmo, Stripe, Authorize.net. You can also use PayPal. And the instructions to include your information to get paid is going to be right in the back office when you get started. So that's another thing that I love is that when you are working with a program and you have a system that allows you to collect direct payments, you're going to gravitate towards people who are looking for that, because a lot of companies, they want you to pay them and then they send you the payment. And what ultimately happens is that if that company decides to shut down, now your payments is tied up with that company, and normally people will never see their payments. Okay. So with these payments getting sent directly to your bank account, to your payment processor, you don't have to worry about the middleman, and you can actually start earning as quickly as possible. So there's 3 ways to get started with this program. They have 3 different levels. You have a $15 level, and this is a one-time payment. It's going to allow, this is like the low entry beginner stage. It's going to allow you to only earn $5 payments, but you can at least come in and get your feet wet. I recommend people coming in at either the middle level or the top level. Okay. So they have the intermediate level, which is a 150 one-time payment. It's going to allow you to get unlimited $50 direct payment commissions. You're going to pass up $50 to your sponsor, and then the company is going to collect $50. It's going to get you customizable marketing pages. You're going to have access to bridge pages, order responders in the follow-up sequences, which is going to give you the emails that you need. That's going to send this information out to people who are interested in your business opportunity. Okay. If you sign up at the 150 level, you're going to have access to these payouts, and it's going to also give you access to the $5 payouts as well. And then we have the high profit membership, which is a one-time payment of $400, giving you instant $300 payouts. Your pass up is going to get $50, and then the company is going to take an admin fee of $50. This is going to give you the six-figure marketing video library. There's so much stuff back there, and guys, don't worry about it. I'm going to take you through the membership area in another video and show you exactly what you're going to get, but it is mind-blowing the amount of training and information and guidance you're going to get for just $400. You can't beat it. I just started the trainings and went through some of them, and I'm blown away by the amount of information that's given. But not only that, how they are really guiding people and showing them exactly the way that they need to start building a business from home and doing it in a way that's going to be effective for the average person. So I love that as well. You're going to get done for you postcard templates for those who want to market this offline. They also have a ton of offline marketing strategies that you can use in your business, so that if you are not ready to 100% be in the online space, and maybe you want to learn how to do offline marketing, you're going to be able to do so with the system. And then I have my bonuses that is going to be for those who sign up with me. But not only that, these bonuses are available for my team to pass down to people who sign up with them. So you will have this duplicated website. If you come in at tier 1, you're going to get this website at no additional charge. This is included in your $400 payment. Okay. So you're going to also get a 14-day email follow-up series that's going to give you high converting email swipes to send out to potential clients when you sign up. You're going to have 6 months access to our social lead generation software that I'm going to have a training and teach people how to use to get unlimited traffic to their business. You're going to also get a 20-part online marketing vault that's going to give you other ways to generate traffic and make money within the online space. And this is going to guide you through all of the marketing experience and tools that you need in order to be successful. And then I have an attraction marketing formula, which I use and I highly recommend, because it's the easiest way to attract people to your business, especially if you do not want to use paid traffic. Okay. And we're going to build this website out for you and give you everything that you need in order for you to be successful. Now, for tier 2, those who come in at the $150 level, you're going to get a 20-part online marketing vault, and you'll have the attraction marketing formula, and you will also get 60 days of access to our software that's going to allow you to get unlimited traffic. Okay. So again, this is going to be right in the description below. I'm so excited about this opportunity. I am going to be promoting this for the remainder of the year and probably even next year, because I don't move around to a lot of programs. Once I find something that I really like, I stick with it and I make the most of it, especially if I feel like it can help the average person that's looking to build a business within the online space. I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great night.